Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Global economy.
December 5, 10:59 America, New York. Europe urgently needs a new industrial master plan. The energy crisis, along with steps taken by the US, China and others, poses a significant challenge.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 5, 10:54 America, New York. EU tells Illumina how to unwind deal to buy cancer test developer Grail. The European Commission said Illumina will have to restore Grail's independence and return it to the same level that existed before the acquisition.
Daily FX market news.
December 5, 10:25 America, New York. U.S. services PMI data surprises to the upside. Strong Q4 GDP in sight. America's largest sector. The services sector achieved another expansion, rising on increased business activity and employment.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 5, 10 o'clock America, New York. Are unions seeing the start of a movement? Or is it just a moment? It was a good year for organizing efforts. But there are many reasons to be skeptical.
BBC News Business.
December 5, 8:40 America, New York. COVID restrictions hit iPhone maker Foxconn. The electronics manufacturer says its revenue in November is down 11% compared to the same month in 2021.
Daily FX market news.
December 5, 8 o'clock America, New York. GBP USD catches its breath as the dollar and risk sentiment remain the driving force. Cable remains overextended against the greenback as we approach key resistance levels. The 1.2500 level should cap any further gains ahead of the FOMC and BOE meetings.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
December 5, 8 o'clock America, New York. Ben Rogg on East-West Trade. Going through my files last week, I found an excellent essay, East-West Trade, by the late Benjamin A. Rogg. He was a longtime economics professor at Wabash College in Crawfordsville, Indiana.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 5, 8 o'clock America, New York. Jason Kilar on the chaotic streaming wars, and how this Hollywood story may end. The streaming services had a very rough 2022. Get ready for multiple business casualties, and a few winners.
New York Times Business.
December 5, 7:35 America, New York. Oil prices rise as the West imposes a cap on Russian crude. Energy traders pushed crude prices higher on Monday following Europe's embargo of seaborne Russian crude, and a price cap by Group of 7 nations went into effect. Will Russia find buyers for its crude?
BBC News Business.
December 5, 7:33 America, New York. Miner Glencore pays $180 million in latest corruption case. The Swiss-based mining firm strikes deal with Democratic Republic of Congo to settle corruption claims.
Global economy.
December 5, 7:31 America, New York. The go-slow gambit on Biden's car subsidies. Japan and South Korea want to delay the electric vehicle tax credits to give their companies time to adjust.
Daily FX market news.
December 5, 7:30 America, New York. How Forex traders use ISM data. Forex traders closely watch ISM monthly manufacturing reports. Learn to trade using ISM data. Marginal revolution.
December 5, 7:25 America, New York. Computers are better at recognizing faces than cyborgs. There was a brief window of time when computers could beat humans at chess, but a human and a computer could beat a computer. In other words, there was a window of time when cyborgs could beat computers at chess. BBC News Business.
December 5, 7:08 America, New York. Employees can ask for flexible working from day one. New laws proposed by the government mean workers will no longer have to wait for 26 weeks.
New York Times Business.
December 5, 7 o'clock America, New York. TikTok influencer is fined after hitting a golf ball into the Grand Canyon. Katie Sigmund, who has nearly 7 million followers on TikTok and posts workout and modeling videos, faced legal trouble after the stunt. A TikTok creator posted a video showing her hitting a golf ball in her golf club sailing after it near Mather Point, which is a popular viewing spot at the Grand Canyon. Global economy. December 5, 7 o'clock America, New York. Market turmoil threatens to undermine efforts to curb inflation, says BIS. Bank for International Settlements warns risks that have built up could trigger central bank bailouts.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
December 5. 6:30 America, New York, Patrick House on Consciousness. How does the mind work? What makes us sad? What makes us laugh? Despite advances in neuroscience, the answers to these questions remain elusive. Neuroscientist Patrick House talks about these mysteries and about his book 19 Ways of Looking at Consciousness with EconTalk host Russ Roberts.
New York Times Business.
December 5, 5 o'clock America, New York. The crypto industry struggles for a way forward after FTX collapse. The implosion of the exchange FTX shows how an industry built in the wake of the 2008 financial crisis has drifted far from its original ideals.
Digital finance.
December 5, 4:36 America, New York. Digital exchange wins final license for carbon, ADRs. Metaverse Green Exchange is piloting right-like asset pools of carbon credits with Indonesia Stock Exchange. The Post-Digital Exchange wins final license for carbon, ADRs, appeared first on Digital Finance.
Marginal revolution.
December 5, 048 America, New York. Why I am disillusioned with the Westminster system of government. As the end of the year approaches, it is worth considering which of our earlier views we have re-evaluated. I have a nomination. I am these days less enamored of the British parliamentary or Westminster system of government, which no longer seems well functioning. The British version of the idea in particular.